dark Arctic. But they are, of course, not the only animals that have adapted to the Arctic. Now, I mentioned people. People have adapted as well. So about 80% of the people living in the Arctic are Inuit, and they've been able to survive and even thrive there by living off the land. Inuit rely on beluga whales as a source of vitamins and nutrients. They actually get the same vitamins and nutrients from the beluga whale's blubber or fat layer that we get from our fruits and vegetables. You can see this blubber if you're watching from underwater, and sometimes we can see this blubber from up above. Now, as you can imagine, this would be really important for Inuit because, as I mentioned, fruits and vegetables are hard to come by. They just don't grow that easily up in the Arctic tundra, and the ones that get shipped there, they often spoil by the time they arrive because they're coming from so far away. So this is really important. But I do know the Arctic can seem far away to those of us that don't live there, but as I mentioned before, we are connected to it, so everything we do does indeed have an effect. Every single time we use energy, we produce carbon. And this carbon goes into our atmosphere that surrounds our planet in a blanket. This blanket is causing the climate to change. In the Arctic, this means the ice is melting a lot faster and reforming a lot slower. So what does this mean for animals like the beluga whale? It is, of course, all about food. Because underneath the sea ice grows sea ice algae, which is the basis of the Arctic food web. Invertebrates come to eat this algae, fish come to eat invertebrates, and animals like these beluga whales here come to eat those fish. They certainly eat a lot of them so that they can do things like that and keep those bodies warm in that chilly Arctic. If we have less sea ice, we have less sea ice algae, and so on, all the way up the food web.